Hi, this is Rob. The Sun-Joe SPX3000 2030 Max PSI high pressure washer. This is a 14.5 amps, 120 volts electrical powered pressure washer that uses a standard household outlet, but is highly recommended to use a ground fault circuit interrupter outlet. It looks like this, and they are usually installed in garages, laundry rooms, kitchens, and bathrooms. This pressure washer comes with a 35-foot power cord. You can also use an extension cord that is up to 25 feet long. That will give you a total of 60 feet. The combined power cord length must not exceed 60 feet. Any extension cord must be 14 gauge or heavier outdoor heavy-duty extension cord to safely power the pressure washer. When you receive this power washer, there is assembly required. Mainly snapping pieces together, rotating pieces together, or screwing pieces together with a Phillips screwdriver. You will only have to deal with 4 large screws and 2 small screws. These screws come with a power washer. The owner's manual is very good in instructing how to assemble the parts of this power washer. You hook up a garden hose to this power washer. The garden hose must be a reinforced garden hose with an internal diameter of at least 1/2 inch. A reinforced garden hose is more resistant to kinking and splitting and can take higher water pressure levels. When water from the garden hose enters the pressure washer, the electrical pump in the power washer accelerates the water to produce high pressure. The high pressure water then goes out of the pressure washer through a high pressure rated hose. The high pressure hose that comes with this power washer is 19 feet long. Most electric pressure washers create between 1,300 and 1,700 pounds per square inch of pressure, PSI, with a water flow of 1.5 gallons per minute, GPM. This pressure washer has a normal working PSI of 1450 PSI and a max PSI of 2030 with a water flow of 1.76 gallons per minute. This would be considered a residential pressure washer, a pressure washer that can handle most jobs around the house. There are 2 removable detergent tanks on this pressure washer. This is so you can pressure wash with soap. Use only detergent specifically designed for use with pressure washers. Sun-Joe does have their own pressure washer detergents, different types depending on what you are cleaning. Follow the instructions on the detergent bottle for the ratio of water to detergent to mix. Above the detergent tanks is a detergent dial to adjust the suction volume of the detergent solution in each of the 2 detergent tanks. This pressure washer comes with 5 color-coded water nozzles. A water nozzle is used at the end of the spray wand. This is the soap nozzle. If you're going to use detergent from one of the detergent tanks, always use the soap nozzle. All the other color-coded nozzles will not work for detergent applications. Each of the nozzles have different spray patterns. The 40-degree nozzle is for gentle cleaning. The 25-degree nozzle is for all-purpose cleaning. The 15-degree nozzle is for tough jobs, and the 0-degree nozzle is for spot cleaning or hard-to-reach areas. It is the most intense and has an extremely powerful nozzle that delivers a high-pressure pencil point jet stream. Consult the owner's manual for which type of nozzle you should use for your specific cleaning job. When not in use, the nozzles can be stored here on the upper back of the pressure washer near the handle. To turn on the pressure washer is simple. This is the round on and off switch on the front of the pressure washer. Turn the switch to the on position to start the pressure washer. Okay, that is it. I hope that you like this pressure washer.